Ano sasabihin mo? Hi. Hi, guys. Yuli is not sleeping yet. Go to your bed na. Bed. Go to your bed. Where's your bed? Show them. Show them where's your bed. Where's your bed? There. Oh. Go to your bed na daw. Go to your bed. This is not your bed. It is mommy's bed. Go to your bed na. Go to your bed. Go to your bed na. Go to your bed. Go to your bed. Go to your bed na. I don't know. I don't know. Don't gonna say no. You need to say yes.
Yes.
Oh, go to your bed na. Yes. Go to your bed na. Yes. You said yes. Go to your bed na. Yes. Okay, go to your bed na. Yes. Puti na kilikili yung batang to. Kaya pakita mo pa yung kilikili sa kanila. Sige na, sige na.